Christian believer, if I ask you, what is God? I know what you are going to tell me. That God is the creator. That God is the ruler. That God is the Almighty. That God is the King of all kings. You know what is God. But what did you do to God? And let me tell you, too easy to demand and command to God. Too easy to ask for something unfavor from God. Too easy to ask from God for protection. Too easy to ask from God for forgiveness. Too easy to ask from God for salvation. Don't you know what are you doing? And I hope now you know that God is under your control. That God is under your power. That God is your personal slave. That God is your personal servant. That God is your personal protector. You own God. Who are you?